Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to my weekly analysis, guys. I hope you guys were able to catch some of the trades I gave you last week. If you did, always let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions, observations, or comments, feel free to reach out to me. I always give you guys my details and I always reply your comments. Thanks for engaging my content. Thanks for viewing my content. Thanks for your subscription and your likes. I appreciate them all. Thank you guys, and let's get right into it. So for this week, last week, the DXY was really bearish. And the word says, always follow the trend. When the market is showing you it's going up, don't try to sell it. And when it's showing you it's going down, don't try to do what? To buy it. Following the trend is way more easier to make money than going against the trend. Yes, there are sometimes the market is going to trick you, give you some kind of, oh, I'm about to reverse, just for you to get in and, spike you out at the end of the day. So yes, like I'm saying, this is kind of bearish, but overall trend is still bullish, right? The overall trend from the weekly, daily is bullish because why? If we check this out, we have a break of structure here and the market is just retracing here. So all these can be termed as retracements, maybe for the market to come to this overall supply on the DXY. So what I'm seeing for this week is, so this is what I'm seeing for the week, guys. I think it's on the 2 hours. Yeah. I have a high that was broken, and we have some imbalance here that the market has filled. So I'm expecting a bit of a bullish move coming next week. I'm expecting the DXY to be a bit bullish because the overall trend is still a bullish trend. Is it going to come here? I'm not really sure because remember we have a trend line here that's hit twice. So you might be be expecting it to come here or overall come to this beautiful support that it has broken and may retest, or it might just stay here and retest this one. Anyone. But what I am concerned about is the DXY is going to be bullish, might be bullish. Nothing is sure in Forex. I always tell you this, anything can go against you. All we are trying to do is, we are trying to analyze the market to have a better hedge in trading. Trading is risky. Do not use your hard-earned money if you do not know what you're doing. So we have this liquidity that has been taken out, this imbalance that has been filled. I'm expecting a bit of a bullish move. So that is why on my AU, I told you I bought this last week and it has gotten to our TP. So I have a bit of divergence. The market is, the RSI is going down while the market is going up, giving me a clue of, oh, indeed, the DXY, the USD might be bullish. So what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for a break and a retest. We have a lot of confirmation. You can wait for, this is a higher high, higher low, higher high. You can wait for this higher low to be broken to give you a lower high, then a lower low. Or you can just use the trend line break and retest, anyone you want. But if this trend line is not broken and retested, I am not interested in that trade. It will give me my confirmation before I take it. So I'm expecting a sell, guys. And the sell, I'm expecting to take it. If I take the sell, my TP won't be that much. My TP might be this low here, or the overall support here. It was a resistance before, now we can take it as a support. So that's what I'm looking for on AUD-USD. Same thing for GU. GU has given us divergence too. You can see this going down while this is going up. So because of that, we have, you can see it's going down while this is going up. So because of that, we are expecting the break of this low and trend line and a retest as well. Where are we going to stop? If we take the sell after we've gotten our confirmation, right, we are going to stop at this support. Then let's see what the market does at this support before we take it back any further. EU, same thing. I'm expecting a sell to, same thing, just the same thing, break and retest, and I'm taking it to this support. It's as simple as that. So, which is why on gold as well, we're expecting a sell, overall sell after the break. This one has given us a break and retest already. Gold has given us a break, it has retested, so we're expecting a down move. The divergence has shown us that it's going to break. So I'm expecting the break of this low, then I'm going to get in, and my TP might be just right here. Or yeah, anywhere. Feel free to get out anywhere. But what I'm sure of is all these lows are going to be taken out by the move. All these lows will be taken out by the move. All these lows will be taken out. I might just end it here. Or, you know, like I said, feel free to get out whenever you want. So I will be bearish on EU, GU, AU, and gold for the week. So that is why USD card, I'm expecting a buy, because I'm expecting a sell on EU, GU, I'm expecting a buy. So we can see we have a break of structure right here, USD card. We have a break of structure right here. And the market has ever since left a form of imbalance. So I'm expecting the market to come a little bit down here, give me my confirmation, then I'm going to take it all the way up. So I will be looking to buy this when it comes to this zone. You can see it has given us a gap and a fake or other block here. So by the time it gets here, a lot of people try to short. That is why I'm willing to take my TP above this other block. That's what I have for you on USD pairs. EURGBP, the overall trend right now, it has broken a low after coming to this sweet other block, guys. You can see. Let me show you the daily so you can see what I have on EURGBP. So we broke this low for a very long time. The market just came back there. And after hitting that other block, for you to see, the last low here has been broken. So we're expecting the market to come here, swipe this liquidity into the supply zone to go further down. So that's what I have, but I won't get into this trade until the market gets here. Are we together, guys? I won't get into that trade until the market gets here. Then I'm going to take it all the way down. We can target this low here, but then I won't really be looking that far into the future. I might just take my profits maybe here or here. Anyway, but I won't be looking that far. So I'm expecting a sell on EURGBP, but I'm expecting the market to, be bullish a bit before coming down. So that's what I have for you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and I will answer you. Should I give you this as well? It's not really ready yet. I'm waiting for a confirmation on this before I'll be sure. So don't let me just, I've seen a break of structure. I'm expecting a bullish move, but then I need a final confirmation before I can tell you my bias on this. So this is not part of it. So guys, feel free to, wait for your confirmations and get into these sweet trades when they give you the confirmations. I repeat, when they give you the confirmations. Trading is about patience, it's about discipline. If you have those set of rules and you are following it like a robot that is giving a set of instruction, then you shouldn't have problem with trading. But if you have hard time following your rules, if you are that indisciplined, then you are going to keep giving money to the market. So always make sure, even when you have your setup, when all your confirmations are right, you try and calculate how much you're risking. Make sure it's something you are willing to afford. You can afford to lose to the market before taking that trade. Do not be greedy. The market has a way of tempting us to be very greedy. You feel, oh, if this trade goes my way, I can make $5. And if this trade goes my way again, I can also make $500. So why don't I make the $500? I have bad news for you. It might go against you, and you may lose that $100-$200 you are risking. It might be your whole account. So always keep that in mind as well. The same way it can go in your favor and make you good money is the same way it can go against you and lose you good money as well. So please let us be careful and make sure you are very cautious of how much you are risking in any trade you are getting into. Thanks for watching my content. I appreciate you guys. If you want to learn Forex, if you want to understand all these things I'm doing, how to mark up from higher time frame to the lower time frame to get your entries on the lower time frame, I can take you through all this process. Reach out to me and I'll get you started. The details are always in the description below. Feel free to reach out to me and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.